Hello there, Ride Pro again with a Goldwing GL1500 that has the Lehman trike kit. Bike is finished in a kind of a silver metallic paint. It does have the chrome front rotor covers with the Ring of Fire LED lights in it. It does have fog lamps. It has the Kuryakin highway pegs. It has a vinyl cover to keep the stone chips down off of the fenders that stick out further than the bike does. It does have a 40-channel CB. The seat is in very good shape. It does have the built-in backrest, which is great for putting a lot of miles on. It does have wood accents, as you can see on the dash. Bike has very low miles for the year. It only has 47,037 miles. And for a Goldwing, that's not even broken in. Very good looking wheels. The lot of storage between the trunk and then the top trunk or tour pack. And the bike runs very good. It does have reverse. As you can see, it starts right up. Stereo plays very clear.
My name is Stephanie.
My name is Jasmine.
And we're from Brandon, and this is My Spirit FM, Tampa Bay's hit Christian music.
Go ahead and start it back up again.
I've been quiet.
Okay. Very smooth and quiet. We do have discounted shipping rates starting as low as $300. If you give us a call and give us your zip code, we will be glad to give you to the penny shipping cost right to your front door, or you can fly into Tampa International Airport. We can pick you up at the airport, bring you back to our shop. You can hop on your Goldwing and let the adventure start. We are aware of that one fog lamp that is out. We have a bulb ordered for it. That should be fixed today or tomorrow. So we are aware of that, and that will be fixed. We'll just walk around the back so you can hear the exhaust. It is pretty quiet. So if you'd like to get in touch with us, our number here is 813-615-1700. That's 813-615-1700. Or you can reach us on the web at www.myridepro.com. That's www.myridepro.com. That's it for now. We'll see you soon.